This is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is December 22nd, 2023, and it's my weekly market review, where I'm reviewing the NASDAQ 100, that's QQQ, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only. As we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's just jump over here to the charts and see what we see. Let me do this. Let me do this. Let me do this. Okay, we have made those all-time highs that I've been talking about, and all. We're there. And the thing is now, you should be managing any trades that you're in at this time, and all. You're not looking to go long at a top. That's one of the things that I try to help people see. You know, when we're at bottoms and when we're at tops, this is not the time to actually be going long. You know, you're already there. You should have been long a long time ago when we was talking about this thing made a pullback and was coming off areas, and all, and then now you're in a management zone. So that's what we see here. We're seeing this thing going higher. We don't know how high, except we just manage what we're in right now. And there's other strategies that you probably could do and maybe get away with things, but they get risky, you know, being any kind of bullish in this market at this time. And trying to get bearish, you need to really wait for that signal to tell you to be bearish at that time based on your trading plan, based on your trading strategies. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the monthly chart. As we can see on this monthly chart, it shows really clear that we are at a top. We have gotten across those tops. It did pull back, but here on these quarterly pivots, we do have a little bit more room to go to an R3 level, which we may hit if this thing wants to go higher and give us a little pullback there, as you can see how it did here before when it got to an R3 level. So that's what I'm looking at there. But right now, it's manage, and that's the plan. All right, let's go down to the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, again, there's nothing on this chart right at this time to tell you to be bearish or trying to go short. You'll be early to the party if there is going to be a turn down. And being early to the party, how early are you? Will you be a month early and this thing 100 points against you? Will you be a week early and this thing 50 points against you? Are you a day early? You know, the thing is, wait for your signal. Be patient. Learn to be patient in this market. But right now, we're at all-time highs. That's what I see. And it's just seeing how high can it go before it actually does a pullback. Yes, we all are expecting a pullback and would like to see a pullback if we want to get long on anything else at this time. But right now is definitely not the time to get long, in my opinion. All right, let's take a quick look at the daily noise. The daily noise gave you some noise and all. We did get a pretty good pullback here on Wednesday. Maybe if you were looking at these smaller time frames and looking at stuff like this, if you had already hopped out or it's knocked you out of your trade, maybe it was a time you could have got, or if you all based on how you felt on things and all, you could have added more at this time, you know. Once again, it really wasn't that big. It was only $7 pullback from the high. You know, maybe that wasn't really enough to knock you out of your trade. But $7 is I send it out there. It was probably more than 10% pullback. And all. So again, and then once you saw it come back up, did you get back in or did you stay out? Stay out. You know, and just wait till the next year, or do some different strategies and all to play this thing while it's at a top. But again, you're at a top. You know, you're definitely at a top. You're making all-time highs. You know, and on the last day, we didn't break that high again. We didn't break the low of this candle right here. So again, we're still in that waiting zone, management zone, all based on your trading plan and your trading strategies, how you manage your trades at this time. And that's all I really want to share at this time. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Guys, have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year if you're going to hear from me again this year. But I think I'm going to try to make it next weekend. But we have to kind of like wait and see what I'm going to do. I know I probably won't be in front of the computer next week, but I still need to review the market. Have a good one, though, guys. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. Talk to you next year. I'll talk to you later. Bye.